South African current trend. Everywhere you go, you find people doing that. I mean, hey, hey, piano dance. So let's start with the tutorial. Step 1. This is what we're gonna do. 1, 2, 1. Bend up, basically. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me face this direction. So it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. Step 2. This is what you're gonna do. It's 1, 2, 1, 2. It's like you're bouncing. Instead of you doing this now, you are doing that, this, that. Let me face this direction. So it's basically the same thing. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. That was step 2. Step 3. It's basically the hands. So your hands are doing like this. This is what you're going to do. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's like you're riding something. It's going to be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That is step 3. Step 4 is basically your shoulders and your hands together. So while you're doing this, your shoulders do this, like that, and your head is not like this, it's here, and your shoulders is like this. So this is step 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. On the side, this is how it looks on the side. Like this, then 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Step 4, while you're still doing this, even your head, it moves, with your body. So it's here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. That was step 4. Step 5. Step 5, while you're still doing this, you bend a little bit like this. Here, like this, lays out, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. So you bend, you can't be doing it like this, This is ew. But you have to do it like that. You bend a little bit like this. Yeah, that was step 5. Step 6 is the last step. So you're putting everything together. So this is where we're going to start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then bend, bend, bend. That's how you're doing it. So facing this direction, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you're doing it. That was step 6. So that is the end of the That's it. That was the tutorial of Amapiano dance, which is currently trending in South Africa.